Now let us discuss about a function. First of all, we have to see what is the definition of function. Suppose A and B are two non-empty sets and F be the relation from A to B. In the relation from A to B, every element in A is mapping with unique element in B is called function. That means, in the given example, here set A contains 1, 2, 3. Set B contains P, Q, R. Here F is the symbol of relation. The ordered pairs are 1 to P, 2 to R, 3 to P. Here, from the definition, every element in A is mapping with unique element in B. Now let us check out every element in A is mapped or not. Here 1 is mapping with P, 2 is mapping with R, 3 is mapping with P. That means 1, 2, 3 are involved in mapping, so that it is a function in first condition. Now let us see the another condition. All the elements in A are mapping with a unique element in B or not. Now let us see, 1 is mapping with P. That means 1 is not mapping with any other element. It is mapping with only one element, that is P. So it is unique. Next, 2 is mapping with R. 2 is mapping with R only. There is no other element. So it is also unique. And third one, 3 is mapping with P. And 3 is not mapping with any other element. So we can say that 3 is also mapping with a unique element P. So that here the relation F maps A to B is called a function. And this is the symbol of function. Here F is the relation, capital A is the first set, capital B is the second set. Now we can write this function can be written as F is equal to set of ordered pairs. What are the ordered pairs? 1 comma P, 2 comma R, 3 comma P. These are the ordered pairs. Here also we have to check out whether this relation is function or not. In this, first coordinates are 1, 2, 3. Now let us see all are different or not. Here 1, 2, 3 all are different. That is first condition. This is a function. This is one of the method to identify the function. Here, what is the domain of F? Domain of F means set of all first coordinates. What are the first coordinates? 1, 2, 3. The set of 1, 2, 3 is called a domain of function F. And this is indicated by set A. Already we know that. And range of F. What is the range of F? The set of all second coordinates. What are the second coordinates in this? P, R, P. Here P 2 times, we can take only one time, that is P comma R. And this is range of F. Here symbol of range is F of A. F means function. Here set A means domain. That means F of A is called range of F. Next, codomain of F. In the function F maps A to B, the second set, that means set B is nothing but PQR. That is set of PQR is called codomain of function F. So this is nothing but domain, range, codomain. Now F of 1 is equal to P. Here first ordered pair is 1 comma P. That means 1 is related with P. 1 is related with P means we can write this as F of 1 is P. And this can be read as F image of 1 is equal to P. F image of 1 is equal to P. Similarly, F of 2 is equal to R. That means F image of 2 is R. Next, F image of 3 is P. So that means P or P are nothing but images. And similarly, we can write this as f inverse of p. Take f right side. That means f inverse of p is equal to 1. This can be read as f inverse, or we can say pre-image of p is equal to 1. F inverse image of p is equal to 1. Similarly, f inverse r. F inverse image of r is 2. Third one, f inverse image of p is 3. Here 1, 2, 3 are called inverse images or pre-images. P or P are called images. So this is nothing but image and pre-image. Next, final point. The number of functions, the number of examples we can write from A to B by using this formula n of b whole to the power of n of a. For example, here in this example, what is n of b? N of b is 1, 2, 3, 3. N of a 1, 2, 3, that is 3. 3 power 3, number of functions defined from a to b is 3 power 3. 3 power 3 means 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. So by using this a and b, we can write 27 examples of functions. So this is introduction about a function.